Plenty of time.
Well, I shut everything all down.
We're tipping that way, hun. Oh no.
Uh-oh, we are.
More people need to run to this side, hun. We're tipping over.
Heading out. We're heading out.
Did you show the Miami skyline over there? Yep, we are.
You're gonna do that. That's why you're walking down the hall. You're walking side to side, grabbing that rail.
Here she is.
This is the
beautiful
wind-blown look after
can be.
After being up on top of
Sitting
the
in her room. And we just barely took off, so we're going to show you here out the window.
Can't decide yet if
Very
I'm
nice.
sick or not. Because you do, Kev, laying down, you feel it moving.
Yeah, I could feel it as we were walking.
I know, but laying down, you can feel it moving.
This is dinner Saturday night. We're in the Caravel restaurant.
Made some crackers. Somebody has some crackers.
They have crackers. Show us your pads, man.
How come I don't see any bark bags? Shit.
Oh, how'd the date get on there? Did I push something? Auto date?
If you push the auto date, it comes up.
I must have accidentally pushed it. It's gone now.
I'm going to go ask the captain if I can do some water skiing.
I don't think you want to water ski in this. Look at these swells. This is Tropical Storm Gordon.
Has a name?
Yeah, it's been named.
That's pretty bad when the storm's been named to me. That means it's pretty major.
Here, watch this.
Wow, another one.
Oh, that's cute.
Ooh, you see all the water? Wow, yeah.
Imagine if you were out there.
It's like welcome to the North Sea.
Produced from the combination of Tropical Storm Gordon, presently in Jamaica, moving towards the northeast with 7 knots per hour, and a low system over South Florida, moving towards the southeast. This is the reason for our current weather conditions where we are here in the Caribbean. If we do have any changes, we will keep you posted. In the meantime, once again, we do remind all our guests to please use extra caution while walking through the corridors and the stairways, and always use the handrails. Thank you for your attention, and have a wonderful day on board the Zenith. For lecturer Jack at 10 o'clock in the Celebrity Show Lounge, decks 7 and 8 at the front of the ship. At 10:30, it's time for Pictionary, the artistic game. All you Picassos, come on up to the Fleet Bar located on deck number 11 at 10:30 for Pictionary. At 10:30 until 12 o'clock, we have our mileage pool.
Just watch the rail. You can see how bad we're pitching. Or you can listen.